This time we're going to cover circles, so we'll quickly draw a couple of boxes. So select line, ortho is on already, so if I quickly draw along there and type in at the bottom here, specify next point, so it's along in that direction. If I put in 200, return, and when I go up there, the length of that line now is 200 millimeters. So go up there and then type in 100, and that's 100 high. Go along here, and the bottom one was 200, so we type in 200 like that, and we type C and in there for close, return, and it's now actually made. We've now made a rectangle, and I'll show you. I don't want you to do this yet. The length of that side is 200, and the height is 100. I'll take these two out now. That was just to prove that what we typed in was correct. I want to do another little box now. I'm not worried about the size of this one. I'll just go along quickly. Up there, and about there. Enter. Now to do circles, you go to that one there, and if you leave it on, it says circle. And the first one we're going to do is straightforward, using a circle and a radius. And again it says circle, specify center point of circle. So we go to this snap toolbar here. This is a snap toolbar. We go to that one there, snap to intersection. That means it'll snap onto a corner or something. Click on that, and again it says down here, specify radius of circle. So I'm going to make it big, but I'm going to put in 20 at the bottom there on the keyboard. That was 20. Now I'm going to make it big like that, so you'll see what happens when I press return. So that is now 20 mil radius. We'll repeat circle. I right click that, and it still lets me then repeat another circle. Left click on that. Specify center. Again we'll go for snap to intersection on there, and this time I want the diameter. Now the diameter's in brackets, so you've actually got to type that in there for diameter. And it's now asking, and it's because the last one was 20 radius, that one is obviously 40 mil diameter, but we don't, and it's offered me the same size again, so we're not going to have that. So we'll put in 15, type in 15 there, and again I'll make it very tiny, a circle. And when I press return, that one then comes up, and that is 30 diameter, I think, or I might have typed in 15. No, it's 15. Just to prove that again, go for diameter, for dimensions. Don't you do this at this point. So that's 20, radius 20. And that one is diameter. Circle with a slash across it means diameter, so that's 15 diameter, that's 20 diameter. We've got now put in another circle. So you've done the first one using radius, you've done the second one using diameter. The third one is 2 points, which is 2p there. So just type in 2p, which appears down the bottom. It doesn't have to be capitals like it says there, just 2p, return, specify first end point of circle's diameter. So I'm going to use a bottom one now, but again that looks like on the line, but it may not be. It's very difficult to get that actually on the line, because like that, and you press them, they click the left hand key, and of course your mouse moves a little bit by doing that. So to avoid that, always use these to get things exactly where you want them. And now there it says snap to nearest, so left click on that, and this little thing comes up there, and it doesn't matter where you go, it'll stay on the line. And so if I put a point, say there, left click, and do the same again. Don't worry about this circle whizzing about all over the place, that totally doesn't matter at all. Snap to nearest again, and if I go down again in the bottom line, left click. So that circle, I don't know what diameter it is or anything, but it's touching that line and it's touching that line. Very important that. We'll go for the next one, which is 3-point selection. So again there, 3P, so type in 3, and again it doesn't have to be a capital, just type in 3P, return, specify first point of circle, use this one, because we don't know where it's going to touch, so we just snap to the nearest point. So 1 there, back to here again, 1 there, and again the circle's whizzing about. That's only because I'm moving the cursor about. Snap to nearest. Now that one is touching there, there, and there. So again, that's the 4 methods. The next one is tangent, tangent, radius, tan, tan, TTR. So type in TTR, return, and again, you don't have to select anything with this because it's a tangent. It's going to look at that line, left click on there, move up to here, left click on there. It's now asking the radius. I'll put in 45, return. So that one, tangent there, and the radius of 45 millimeters. And the last one is tangent, tangent, tangent. Now that was a mistake, that one, because that's a later version of AutoCAD. So that's the 3 you've got. We'll stop there, and that's showing you how to do various circles, 5 different types.